Hello. What's up? Having a great day? Oh, good. I'm having a great day also. You know why? This is very, very uncomfortable. Hey guys, Endergamer here from Enderpig Plays, and I am really sorry that we haven't done a video in like 3 weeks. We have been very, very busy doing chores and just getting ready for our aims, because you know, that summer break is coming up. I don't want to have summer school while I'm having and enjoying my summer break. So I apologize for that, and I hope you guys can forgive me. So, as it's on the title screen, there is a new car. And we are going to use that on Highway Patrol. And we're going to get straight into this. We're going to be playing some more Turbo Dismount. It's so modern. Well, modern? Well, I wouldn't say modern. It's from the olden days. It looks really cool. Let's go to select head here. And let's see if there's... Oh, Bobby. Bobby. Galactic Hero. Ooh. That... Aviator. The Aviator. Hello! I see you! Woo! Okay, that's funny. Enough time here. Let's see how fast this baby goes! Go! Go! Whatever this name is, go! I believe in you! No, uh-oh, cops. Here the cops. The po-po! I can't believe I can fly. I can't believe it. Oh, that's just my body just dragging. Are you okay, body? I can't believe I can fly. You seem really ready there, amigo. Onwards and forwards. Yeah, yeah. I can't believe I can fly. Uh-oh, this is gonna hurt. Oh. What? Yeah, oh. Let's see this. Like, hey, baby. You want to see my hot rod? I just got it today. Oh, no. That shall be fixed. Go. Onwards. You may do this and you will do this. You will go on that ramp like a man. Now go! Fulfill your dreams! How's this working out for you? You got decapitated. Oh, and a cup just dropped right over you like it's no one's beeswax. Got a different pose? No. Let's try this pose. How well will this pose work? No car. Don't do it. Don't do... You did it. Great. Now the cops are after me. Jump! For glory! Hold on for dear life! Oh yeah, do you see that pose? Oh, that gotta hurt! Oh, let's rewind that poop. Everything come out together. Play. Ooh, right in the legs. Oh, that gotta hurt. Like, Hello. What's up? Having a great day? Oh, good. I'm having a great day also. You know why? This is very, very uncomfortable. Alright, you know what? Let's do it. Let's go! Just go! Fulfill your dreams as a mobilizer, wherever that means. Yes, do those wheelies. No, no, yes, good. Don't press in the car. Oh, no, no. Watch out, watch out. Up. Oh! Don't worry, you'll be fine. You'll be fine. Nothing's gonna get you. Nope, look at me. Good, just don't look behind you. Ah! Oh, my head. Oh my gosh. Look, I'm just a little worm. I'm a worm with one leg. Welcome to Senia in the blah blah finals, where the first car will be going to space today, and it's gonna be a lovely, lovely day for this with the car. And it's gonna be a lot of fun, and we're just gonna see how this goes. We're gonna see how high it goes. Ready, set, Do you feel that, guys? Oh yeah! Full speed! Oh, that was horrible. Horrible. Absolutely horrible. What do you say about this? You're burning up for dear life. I can't believe I can fly. Oh! Oh, that kind of hurt. Today we are in the racetrack, and today we are doing some pretty cool skid marks. Today we're doing the Mustang against the Magnum, and we're gonna see how this goes. Ready, set, go! You're so slow. The car is even winning. All right. We need a boosty pad. Boosty. And one at the very end here. All right, let's see how this goes. Full speed! Come on, Tommy bro! Go, Tommy bro! Oh yes, go as fast as you can. Skirt! We have a crash on annual 266-555-0544. I just said a random word. We're gonna see who wins! Oh man, it's a tie right now. Oh, the Mustang is winning. Oh, will he ever win? But just things couldn't get any worse. Oh yeah, oh no! We have a crash! We're gonna go against the trucker. Okay, come on guys, the truck can't beat you. It's a truck. Bro, this is incredibly close. Go! Win! Fight! You're going too fast. Gonna go around the Litoopy-doop. Wait, what? Litoopy-doop? Wait, what? We're gonna see how this goes. Ready? We're gonna go over here, right to the middle, alright? Alright. Got to follow me here, right? Alright. Alright. We're gonna stand right here. No, come on, go back. Beep, beep, beep. Right there. And we are going to see how this goes. This must make it. Come on, I mean, it's old-fashioned. Oh my gosh! Just go slow. That's slow. Yeah, go slow. Let's go slow. Alright, here we go. Slow and steady. Oh my gosh! It did it! Let's go to the moon! There's my buddy! Woo! We must do this in first person. Look up and let's go to the moon, you know? I can't believe I can fly. Ah! Ooh! Oh wait, I think I felt that one. Ooh, okay, that hurt. All right, guys, we're back at aiming high, and we're gonna see how this aiming high does for this old timer. Oh, look at him doing cartwheels. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go slower so that I can hit the cars. Yes, that's perfect. Wow, still made it. Bruh. What we must do a shorter ramp. This ramp right here, it's gonna put up our hopes. And here we go! Woo! Go! Yeah! Oh, hit the side. Ouch, that hurt, mama. Mother, that hurt. Okay, I think we're gonna go with this speed. Come on, let's do this. Yes! Oh my gosh. Did I just do that? Really? The scrammage! This is gonna rock! Watch it do a little spiral! Uh-oh, what? There's gotta be a way. Do your spiral. Spiral of truth. Oh, I have found a very good level. Okay, ready guys? We're gonna do this in first person. Well, not first person, second person. Okay, no, we're going crazy. Ah! Oh, this is sea mines. Whoa. It almost, oh, broke a board onto that. Okay, let's go. Come on, Tom bro. Let's go, Tommy bro. Hit the building. Oh, oh, oh! Look, it's flying. Come on, let's do this. Let's go to the side here. Okay, good. Good. Oh, he went right through that! Oh, there he goes! He's flying! Oh, guys, I know what we must do. I know what we must do, guys. Here we go. Oh, yes. Here we go. Ooh. Okay. So what position is that? Okay, that's why. There we go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go flying. It's not flying. Go, 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 go to the moon. To the moon. Ha, ha, ha. Ooh. Are you okay? He seems fine. Guys, we will make it. We will make it past this. Oh! Ah! Oh! Oh! Yeah, guys, this level seems impossible, but we must do this, guys. I mean, we must. It has to work. Last time, crossing my fingers for good luck. Oh! Whoa! There he goes! Is he gonna land? I heard explosions in the background. Come on, this chant, guys. Tommy, 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 Tommy. Don't die, don't die. Please don't, please don't, please don't. It's never gonna work. What the heck? What was that? Guys, this can be the one, guys. Oh my gosh, this can be the one. No, it's not. So anyways, guys, that's all we have for this Turbo Dismount video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please definitely smash that like button. And if you guys are new to the channel, definitely also smash that like button, and you will not see any of this content. Well, maybe you might, but I will at least comment to at least 5 of you guys. It depends. And let's see if we can pass 4 likes on this video. And I will see you guys in the next video. See you guys.